Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to do a price update on Theta, as the Theta bulls have stepped up to the plate once more. Theta is currently up 11% at the time of recording. So the question is are the bulls ready to push Theta to a new all-time high coming up in the short to mid-term? I'm going to pull up this chart and show you what I'm looking at. Alright, Theta up on the daily. And before I begin with today's analysis, I want to give a shout out to the Theta bulls, as Theta's having a glorious day today, and I sure hope you're getting some beautiful, beautiful gains. Congratulations to you. So toggling into the price action itself, I see lots of very powerful things going on here. First and foremost, on this pullback right back here, I see that Theta was unable to get any daily candle body closures below the bottom side of this liquid zone that comes in around $1.66. I see that price action got down there for a very brief moment in time, but the bulls were right there to snap it back up and shooting price action back up above this liquid zone. On the next couple trading days to follow, I see that Theta got those very important daily candle body closures above the yellow exponential moving average. Here we are on Monday, and it's Jack and the Beanstalk time, baby. Those bulls are stepping in and printing this beautiful green celery stick that's coming in off that 21 exponential moving average. Looking down at the volume read, I see the volume read is decent. It's coming up and it is testing the negatively sloped moving average, but it is engulfing the last several days of volume read. Right now, it looks like Theta is making an honest test of this horizontal that I have plotted here at $2.21. I'd like to see some daily candle body closures start happening above that horizontal, followed by some daily candle body opens, and then I think that's going to initiate a test of the bottom side of this liquid zone here. This purple liquid zone has a bottom side coming in at $2.40 and a top side coming in at approximately $2.51. If Theta starts printing any daily candle body closures above the top side of that liquid zone, followed by daily candle body opens on convincing volume, then I think that will initiate some new all-time highs for Theta. And it is reasonable to think that $5 could be in the cards in the mid-term. Toggling down to the RSI here, I see the RSI is putting in some nice positive work. At the time of recording, the RSI is getting back up above the exponential moving average, and this is an unconfirmed cross at the time of recording, being that the day still has 7 hours remaining, but it is looking probable that the RSI is going to get a closure above that exponential moving average. If it does that, it looks like the exponential moving average will be left with a positive slope, and looking left, you can see that when that exponential moving average gets positively sloped, that is pretty much bull time on. I'd like to see the RSI get back into the bullish control zone, and I think if it is able to do that, that is going to be signaling to me that the bulls have plenty of ammunition to be pushing Theta to the upside. Toggling down to the stochastics, I love this. Just a couple days ago, I plotted in this upsloping support line. And these trend lines can be very actionable on oscillators such as the stochastics, especially on a daily chart. You can see that the stochastics came down, testing that trend line and basically just rocketing off it, getting that positive slope to the upside. And at the time of recording, it looks like the stochastics would like to get back into the bullish control zone and are signaling just a lot of buy pressure entering the market as Theta is working its way back up higher. The MACD down below looks to be having a loss of momentum on the negative side of things on the histogram down below, which is noted by these lighter colored bars of negative momentum. The fast line is pointed aggressively up at the time of recording and looks like it would like to test the slow line at the very least. So all in all, this is looking very good, very promising. I do remind myself that after these major parabolic rises that assets can move sideways for a period of time, and you can see that Theta was doing that back here for a good couple months before it ultimately made its next massive meteoric rip to the upside. But being that we're coming in, that 2021 is underway now, that things are looking overall bullish for the whole market. Perhaps we don't need these kinds of patience before this overall greater range is resolved, but it is always always notable to keep these kinds of things on our radar and keep our emotions in check. So at the time of recording, it's looking to me that sideways action is definitely a possibility, but I do like to see this very strong reaction off this pullback, and to see this follow through coming in for the bulls could be signaling that that $5 could be sooner than later. So I'm going to keep my eyes on this, you guys. This has been a beautiful chart to be looking at over time, as it's just been an upwards trajectory. I've had a lot of fun looking at this and a lot of fun bringing you guys these updates. Thank you so much for checking out this video. I look forward to seeing you in the next one, and have yourselves a powerful day.